Good morning, dear students. Today we will be continuing the second subtitles of Lost Spring. As we know that, what's the subtitles? I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car is reflecting the character, the feelings and the emotions of a little boy. The name of that boy is Mukesh, who lives in Firozabad. Annie Jung very beautifully she portrays the character of Mukesh. Mukesh, a boy who lost his springtime due to his poverty, as his tradition compelled him to work in Firozabad's glass industries. We know that Firozabad is a place which is popular for glass making and bangle making factories. Maximum people of that particular place who belong to downtrodden background, who belongs to slum areas, who belongs to poverty stricken life, they are compelled, they are persuaded to work in that industries of glass and bangle. They are suffering from extreme poverty. Even the children, the small child, he is just made for that bangle and glass industries. It's quite absurd situations for Mukesh, as he is not interested to work there. He wants to do something different from others. Annie Jung liked this spirit of Mukesh. She is greatly impressed, she is highly impressed with Mukesh when she came to know the desire, the wish of Mukesh. In spite of living in Firozabad, he wants to work as a mechanic, as a motor mechanic. He wants to drive a car. This one is reflecting how Mukesh, who lives in such circumstance, in spite of this, he having some desire and he wants to fulfill that desire. As we know that there will be no garage in that Firozabad. In spite of this, he wants to be a motor mechanic. Very rarely he saw some cars running in his location. To inspire, to see that cars, those vehicles, he wants to drive a car. This one is reflecting that these poor children have also some desires, and very few among them want to fulfill that desire. Very few having such a courage to overcome the situation. Now, Annie Jung says that what's the living conditions? What's the exact conditions of all those people who live in Firozabad, who became the victim of middlemen, bureaucrats, sahukars and such kinds of the people. Whenever any poor people want to do something different, want to break such lineage, what happened? These people, these bureaucrats, the so-called aristocrat society, the so-called rich people, they just put them in a prison. They threatened them, they condemned them, they persuaded them. उन्हें मजबूर करते हैं कि आप बने हो बैंगल एंड ग्लास इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए. You don't have right to do something different. These kinds of the torture, these kinds of the exploitations, the people of Firozabad, the poor people who engage themselves in bangle and glass industries. Very beautifully, Annie Jung says that they live in a hutments. Their conditions are so pitiable. They are satisfied only little earning. Mukesh's father, he is not able to get a sufficient shelter. He is satisfied to live within a small hut. He is happy with his little meager income, because he knows the reality. What's the reality of that place? He is quite different from his son, having never such a courage to break such kinds of the tradition. Mukesh, only the boy of that particular place, एकमात्र ऐसा बच्चा जो उस ट्रेडिशंस को जो सदियों से चलती आ रही थी वहाँ पे पॉवर्टी के कारण, वो उससे बाहर निकलना चाहता था. So we should appreciate Mukesh, his courage, his confidence, his willpower and his determination. Mukesh says that how his grandmother, his sister Shavita, all the people of his house who make this beautiful bangle, who engage in such place, they don't know what is the significance of these bangles. There is a very touching questions in this chapter. The people, the bangle makers who make colorful bangles, in their life there is no color. Do you know what is the meaning of this question? चूड़ी वाला जो कलरफुल चूड़ी बनाते हैं, रंग बिरंगे चूड़ियाँ बेचते हैं, बट उनके जीवन में कोई रंग नहीं है. देयर इज नो कलर इन देयर लाइफ्स. व्हाई? इट्स क्वाइट आयरोनिकल सिचुएशन. इट्स अ ग्रेट पैराडॉक्स. द पीपल हु मेक दिस, व्हाट्स द नीड ऑफ सच काइंड्स ऑफ द वर्क if we don't get sufficient food, if we don't get proper shelter, if we don't have proper clothes to wear? But these poor people are made for that. They are compelled to work nearby that furnace which emits extreme heat, hampers the eyes. They suffer from, at the very early stage, the small children of that particular place losing their eyesight, losing their visions. And it's quite ironical when the writer says that their eyes are more adjusted in dark than light. ये कैसा कथन है कि उन बच्चों की आंखें अंधेरों में ज़्यादा एडजस्ट करती है बजाय रोशनी के, क्योंकि they are used to do work there. So Mukesh wants to highlight, Mukesh wants to show the real conditions of the people of Firozabad, how they are made for working in bangle industries, how they are made for poverty, how their lives confined within poverty, how they work in bangle industries, how they lose their eyesight at their early stage, how in their life only sorrow, unhappiness, there is no sign of joy. In spite of this, there is a boy whose name is Mukesh, who wants to do something different. His wish, his desire is a mark of appreciation. He needs special appreciations. He needs special courage. By this, Annie Junks concluded her chapter Lost Spring, portraying these two beautiful characters, Sahave Alam and Mukesh. She wants to reflect the destitute poverty, the prevailing poverty that exists there. Really, Annie Junks wants to reflect the socio-economic background, the social injustice that suffered, especially the poor people. There are some very important questions present in this chapter. Justify the title Lost Spring. As we know that here spring refers to the childhood periods. How these poor people deprived from this poor childhood, the springtime of this childhood. This one is the content of the answer of these questions. The second one, sketch the character of Shahave Alam and Mukesh. You have already known the character of Shahave Alam and Mukesh. One is rag picker, other one is engaged in bangle industry. In spite of this, one wants to be a tennis player and other wants to be a motor mechanic. The third one, it's quite paradox, ironical situation that the people who make bangles, in their life there is no color. So you should do all these questions and try to get the theme of this chapter. Try to know about the characters Shahave Alam and Mukesh. Thank you. Thank you very much.